daming ano eh. Daming ano? Patawas? Sayang to, bet ko to eh.
Pasensya na, ang bagal ng katabi ko eh. Second half. Inbound. So Kyle surveying the floor. Passing to Rafael. Passing to Paragas. Passing to Katayon. Wala. Rebound by Arvin. Julius bringing down the ball. Passing it to GC. Mike got the ball and lost the ball. 13 seconds, shot clock. Oh, kinilis. 3-point shot. Wala. Attacking fast break. Rafael. Foul. Number 11. Lahat sila number 11 pati naman yung shorts eh.
Second na sa Anyayahan.
Second foul, Anyayahan. Yung shorts nila lahat, number 11. First free throw is bad. Last free throw for Rafael. Second free throw is good. We have a 2-point ball game. Julius serving the floor, passing it to Deadpool. Deadpool attacking with a super layup. With a high ball game. Katayon with a water attack. Katayon with a bubble. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Foul counted. Arvin. Fifth foul. Ay, joke lang. First foul. Paragas, last free throw. Not good. Goal harapan ni Julius. Irving, baba na raw. Jesus not looking turnover. Turnover, Julius. You're passing the ball without a person looking at you. Kyle bringing down the ball. Kyle passing it to Adrian. Adrian surveying the floor. Looking for Kyle. Kyle tried to jump but no. Deadpool with a steal and between layup. Okay, intercepting the Julius. Julius with the assist to Arvin, 2 points. And assist from Julius Anyayahan. 35 all. Adriano surveying. 10 to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. Katayon lost the ball. 5 seconds shot clock.
4 seconds.
Paragas with the 2 points. Assist by Katayon. The chlorine assist. 2-point ball game. Drop to Mike. 2 points. Assist. Julius. Kyle. Passing it to Rafael. Rafael for 3. Kapos. Passing it to Julius. Julius attacking. Attacking with Mr. Deadpool, but took the layup. 2 points. Change favor. Black Huey, 2-point lead. Katayon. Substitution. Sa bala na wala pang sinushoot na 3. Pumasok.
Walang pala ngayon sa Sally Cheesecake.
Inbound to Pangilinan. Pangilinan, attacking. Pangilinan. Kapos shot. Rebound by Arvin. Arvin passing to Julius. Julius surveying the floor. Giving it to Arvin. Turnover. Julius Anyayahan. Adrian, attacking, passing to Zabala. May bala ba si Zabala? Wala, pirasa. Kyle, 6 seconds shot clock. Zabala, may pasok ba yan? Wala pa rin. Rebound by Mike. Assist to Anyayahan. Ay, kaso wala. Cayetano, hindi na shoot. Paragas, traveling. Sayang. Jesus bringing down the ball. Jesus hindi pa nakakashoot. Julius. 10 seconds. Pass is deflected to the out of bounds. 9 seconds shot clock. Julius 3-point attempt. Wala pa rin. Ilang taon na yan. Jesus lost the ball. Black ball. Black ball. Jesus with 2 points will inbound the ball. 10 seconds shot clock. Kabutsaw passing to Julius. Julius passing it to the wrong person. Hindi, walang steal dun. Adrian bringing down the ball. Surveying. Crossing over. Attacking. Layup. 2 points. In the tied ball game. 5 minutes remaining for the third quarter. Arvin trying to attack. Kabutsaw. Spinning. Jump shot. Wala. Ball running around. Run to Arvin. Foul by Adrian. Pangilinan. 2 free throws for Arvin Salengo. Substitution. Chlorine Dynasty. Substitution Alvarado. Boxing match.
Yung hindi ka na makakalaro?
Isa.
Arvin second free throw is still bad. Zabala. Fast break. Kyle. Passing to Rafael. Di mo na nakita ang Rafael Allen. Assist from Kyle. 2 points for Rafael. Arvin crossing over. Passing to Jesus. Jesus still playing in the point guard role. Trying to pass it to Alvarado. Alvarado to Arvin, but he was fouled. Baragas. First personal foul. Being to Kabutsaw. Looking for the reverse layup, but Arvin with a rebound and a foul. 1 free throw for Arvin Salengo. Baragas, 2 fouls. Last free throw. Kapos. Rebound, Mike. Passing it to Arvin. Arvin still getting the foul, but not the shot. Foul, 76. Jordan Poole. May request si Jojo katabi ko. Pagpalitin daw si Jordan Poole sa si Denver. Mas appropriate daw. First free throw is good. ko naman sinabi mo, marunong ba ako magsinungaling? Free throw is not good, but the rebound still remains with the black team. Crossing over. The layup is not good. Sabal with the rebound. Kyle. Pass breaking to Rafael again. Rafael. Fishing for the foul. 2 free throws. Max Alvarado. With the foul. First free throw is Kapus. Last free throw for Rafael. Free throw is good. 42 all. It is still a tied ball game.
Mark, baba! Baba ka na.
Mike Rafael, pinapababa. Baba ka daw sa business.
Tiniko ka.
Arvin receiving the ball on the 3-point line. Attacking with behind the back pass to Alvarado. Max Alvarado missed the shot. Rebound trailed by Jesus. Boarding shot by Jesus. Kyle surveying the floor. Hesitation, passing it to Katayon. 2-point shot over Mike. Oh my God, ano nasilip mo?
Mike!
Jesus, frustrated, bringing down the ball. Mario, iniisip na yung pagkatalo na ng mamaya. Ano si Mike? Foul counted. Marion.
Yarete, thrower ha. Thrower.
Free throw for Mike is not good. Rebound by Katayon. Katayon is kicked out. Outside. Substitution. Mike Sadder for Jet. Inbound pass to Jesus. Jesus to Arvin. Arvin to Katayon. Nico with the basura play. Kyle jumper. Foul counted. Ayaw nila ang magbitawan. Kyle, last free throw. Free throw is good. 1-point ball game. White leading the ball game with 1 point. Abu Chow passing it to Alvarado. Max Alvarado taking the shot. Boarding shot. Walang tiwala si Arvin. Hinahanap niya pa yung rebound. Pero pumasok. Change favor. Kyle bringing down the ball. Paragas nagpupunas sa mukha. Adrian attacking. Adrian spinning. Behind the back pass. Foul. 23. Max Alvarado. For warning for graduation again. Pangilinan. Receiving the ball. Sabala. Kapus.
Touch.
Kabuchao inbound into Marvin. Bringing back to Kabuchao. Bringing out the ball.
Seconds.
Pangilinan crossing over. 2-step. Drop pass to Paragas. Kaputong Bira. Then Jordan Poole with the rebound and the putback. 2 points. The lead remains with the black team. Pabuchao leading. Arvin walking. Jesus walking. 10-second shot clock. Passing it to Alvarado for the 3-point shot. No good. Katayong bringing on the ball, passing it to Adrian. Adrian attacking again. Attacking once more. Foul Nico. Change ball. Sige, change ball. Change ball daw. Dami tayong balls dito.
Second yung foul.
Nino ba? Sorry.
Nahanap ko. Nico.
Wrong mistake. Nilo pala, hindi Nico. Ang kampi ko pala yung Nico.
Kaya wala yung 8. Dalawang 3.
Adrian. First free throw. Ay, hindi pala. Sorry. 50 all. Tie ball game. Taas ng score. Boy, ano ba yung Alvarado, ayaw ng tumira. Big David to Nilo. Alvarado, tumira pa yung 5 consecutive attempts from Max Alvarado. Kyle, crossing over, attacking. Straight pass, pass to the pass to Jordan Poole with 2 points. Julius, getaway, breakout. 2 points. 5 ball game na naman. Walang bumibitaw. Si Jones, weekend na maglaro.
Screen!
Last shot.
Screen!
Sa bala, titira pa rin. Wala pa rin. Ilang games na yan.
Dapat na nakaraan, no? Para... Pero wala pang tatawag eh. Ikaw pala? Oo. Wala yung webinar. Wala. 2 to 5 yun. Tignan mo yung ano. Wala pang ano. Ikaw pala. Yung pinaka-condense. Dapat naman ako
Okay, inano natin yung pag making machine natin. Kinabukasan natin yung pag machine. 52 all. Last quarter. Fourth quarter. Jones nakakalaro, no? Jesus passing it to Julius. Julius 3-point attempt. Good. 3-point shot. Opening the fourth quarter by Julius Anyanyan. Assist by Cedric Guerrero. Passing it to Andoy. Andoy. Passing it back to Joseph Guerrero. Looking for 10-second shot clock. Andoy. Attempt. Wala. Nilo with the rebound. Passing it to the Asses. The Asses giving it to Arvin. Arvin attacking. Julius thought about it. 2 points. No call, passing it to Jones. Jones, passing up, lost the ball. Kukuha na ulit 10 minutes. 12 seconds shot clock. Rafael, 3 on 3. No good. Jesus. Oh. Yeah, he's passing it to Julius. Another 3-point attempt, but hit the ball. Kyle attacking, Kyle attacking, Kyle attacking, Kyle attacking. 2-step. Good. 2-point shot. Good. Joseph Guerrero with the one-man press. Arvin surveying the floor. Giving it to De Asis. De Asis attacking. De Asis. Walang assist. Okay. Kyle receiving it from Adrian but missed the shot. Cedric pinning on the ball. 2-point shot. It's not good. Yes, makakapag-free throw na siya. Sino? Andoy, 4 fouls, warning for graduation. Free throw is Samba, is good. Hindi ko na kayo lalayin. Matt, nakikangit ang mag-MVP pero nanalo yung team, ah. Joseph Guerrero bringing down the ball. Joseph Guerrero passing it to Andoy. Andoy with 4 fouls, attacking. Andoy attacking. This is foul. Good. Joseph Guerrero waving. Why is Joseph Guerrero waving? Last free throw for Andoy. Rebound is not good. Jones. Stolen by, rebound by Andoy. Andoy attacking, surveying, passing it to Kyle. Kyle with jump shot. Kapos. Mukhang pagod na. Arvin attacking the Dea. 2 points. The first 4-point lead by Team Alex. Nawala si Alex. Calvin missing the shot. Hindi mamayayang. Arlo missing the shot as well. Nico missing the shot as well. Si Matt parang DI. Matt, may tinatanong yung committee dito.
Baka naman galing lamay. Baka naman galing lamay. Oo, nagwala lang sayaw.
Rafael passing it to Andoy and getting the ball back. 4-point ball game. 7 minutes remaining. Passing to Jones. Jones fade away jump shot. In and out. Nilo with the rebound. The assist attacking. The assist giving it to Arvin. Arvin is thinking about it. Passes. Arvin got the ball. Was blocked by Jones. Blocked. Ball remains with the black team. 6 seconds shot clock. Carlo Diaz, 3-point shot! Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Assist by Julius. Lumaki na po ang lamang. Andoy attacking. Andoy crossing over. Andoy not passing the ball. Andoy passing it to Paragas. Paragas attacking. Kapasitira. Rebound taken by Rafael. And the fishing expedition is successful. 41 foul. Side down. It's a loose ball foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Andoy, 10 seconds, shot clock. Attacking, it was naharangan. Katayong with the jumper. George with the rebound. With the rebound, sabay. Nawala yung bola. Nilo. Pass breaking to Julius. Julius setting it up. Julius waiting for their friends. Jesus setting up Julius. Julius taking the shot, but giving it back to Arvin. We missing the shot badly. Stolen by Cedric. Cedric bringing on the ball. Cedric attacking. Cedric dropping into the assist. Foul by Katayong. 3 fouls by Katayong. 5 minutes and 39 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Julius attacking. Reverse layup is good. Lumobo na po ang kalamangan. 9 points. Kailangan nila si Jong. Si Air Caruso. Air Caruso hindi makakapaglaro. Rafael for 3. So bad. Substitution. Kabutsa wants to play. Yeah, he's out. Julius bringing down the ball. Cedric with 1 field goal.
10 seconds.
Turnover by Cedric. 5 minutes remaining. Oh. Katayong bringing out the ball. Jordan pull attack. 2 points. Cedric passing to Arvin. Arvin wants to attack, but loses. Losing the ball. Grabe ka